Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the sync system in this Ford Transit 2019. So you've got settings here. If we click on settings, Bluetooth up here, phone there. So we'll go to Bluetooth, view devices. You see there, that's my phone there. If I click on that, it gives you the three choices: connect phone, connect media, delete. Delete Barry's iPhone, yes. That's it done. I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth sync system in this Ford Transit 2019 plate. If we just go to settings, switch on Bluetooth. So there you go. It's all showing there, and then we go here. I'll just exit out of that. To be honest, we'll get out of that. Go to home. So you see there, you can add device. If you just click on that, or if you do it the long way, if you go to settings, into Bluetooth, add a Bluetooth device. That's just showing one of my cameras that I'm, and there you go, Ford Transit. So we'll click on Ford Transit. It's thinking about it. Barry's iPhone, I'm trying to pair. Does it match? Yes, it does. Pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync.
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
There you go, automatic contact download. You see there, Ford Transit connected. So I'll finish there, and I won't bother with that. That's about the text, but it works anyway. Now then, if we go to music here, and you see there, if you click on the red triangle with the three red circles at the bottom, it's showing Ford Transit. There's no tick next to it, just tick it. We'll go back there, and then if we go to audio, you've got sources up here. That's showing it's on the radio. So if we click sources, click Bluetooth, connecting to my phone, and there you see it, that's Taylor Swift there. We'll just go back to another one. So now then, if I turn this up, and then, in fact, no, what I'll do, I'll turn it up here, but that's showing you all the information. If it's from an album, you've got a photograph, and it's giving you all the information there. And then if I turn it up, so that's Taylor Swift. That's how that plays. The system in the 2019 Ford Transit is really, really good. It's got great functionality. You can use it via Bluetooth for your hands-free calling, your audio streaming and so on. But if you actually plug it in, plug the USB to your phone here, you can see there, hey Siri,
Yes.
navigate to Piazza Tasso, Sorrento.
Getting directions to Piazza Tasso.
Now it's asking me if I want to end navigation because it's already got one. So I just end navigation. There you go. Piazza Tasso, Sorrento.
Route to Piazza to Quarto Tasso 34. Proceed to Choi Road. Then turn left.
And it's telling me there it's 1,470 miles. It's going to take me 24 hours to get there. And honestly, if I could, I'd set off now. But as I say, it's so good. If you go back there, you've got the Apple CarPlay. It mirrors your phone. You can see there all the stuff you've got on it. That's the sat nav, phone, music, maps, messages, calendar. I've never tried that, but yep, there you go. So back there, your audio books. There you go. Amazon Music, Audible, Google Maps, Spotify, and it'll play all those things. Just try that. I don't know if I've got anything on whatever's that. I don't think any of those are mine. I think those must be, oh, my library, here we go. Playlists. Yeah, I don't I don't use Spotify, but anyway, so there you go. And then you've also got WhatsApp as well. So it's a fantastic system. It's great. Just like driving a car, all the amenities that the car's got, and probably then some. It's a real good buy. Thanks for watching.